Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to install Vanguard for Valorant. Alright, so let's begin with the video. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to install Vanguard, which is required if you want to play games like Valorant or League of Legends. Vanguard needs to be properly installed and set up, otherwise these games won't launch correctly. To begin, open up your Start menu, search for Settings, and open it. From the left-hand side, click on Apps. Then go to Installed Apps. Using the search bar, type in Vanguard. If you see the Vanguard application listed here, you need to uninstall it from your device. If nothing shows up, that simply means Vanguard is already removed, which is perfectly fine. Once that's done, open the Start menu again, search for CMD, then right-click on Command Prompt and choose Run as Administrator. In the Command Prompt window, type SC delete VGC and press Enter. After that, type SC delete VGK and press Enter again. These commands fully remove any remaining Vanguard services from your system. When both commands are done, you can close the Command Prompt window. Next, make sure the Riot Games client is completely closed. After closing it, open the Start menu once more and relaunch the Riot client. Sign in to your Riot Games account, then click on Games from the left-hand side and select Valorant. At this point, the Riot client should automatically detect that Vanguard is not installed on your system. When it does, you'll see an Update button. Just click on it and Riot Vanguard will begin installing automatically. Once the installation finishes, you may be asked to restart your computer. After restarting, Vanguard will be fully installed and running, and you should now be able to play Valorant or League of Legends without any issues. And that's it. So that's basically how you can install Vanguard for Valorant. So that's all for this video. See you in the next one. Thanks.